Hi friends, no need to do addition like this. You can just write down your answer within 3 seconds without even using your pen. So let's see how. So we will solve this question by breaking the numbers. So 42, can we break 42 as 40 plus 2, right? And we can break 26 as 20 plus 6, right? Now, first of all, just add these numbers. 40 plus 20. So what is 40 plus 20? That is 60, right? Now what we are left with? 2 6. So 2 plus 6 is 8. So 60 plus 8, your answer is 68. Very easy. So just break your numbers and then add them. Here I am just writing it, but after few questions you can do this in your mind. This is the next question. 63 we can break as 60 plus 3. 84 we can break as 80 plus 4. So first of all, we will add 60 and 80. So 60 and 80, if you add, it's 140, right? And 3 plus 4, that is 7. So 140 plus 7, your final answer is 147, right? Here, if you face problem in adding 60 and 80, just do it like this. 80, first of all, add 20 in 80 to make it nearest 100, right? So 80 plus 20 is 100. Now, out of 60, we have already added 20. So what we have left to add? That is 40. So 100 plus 40, that is equal to the 140, right? So this is the next question. Here we will do 90 plus 60. So 90 plus 60, we know that is 150, right? Now we are left with 7 and 8. So 7 plus 8 is 15. So 150 plus 15 equal to 165. Very easy. Friends, if you are looking for any help or one-to-one sessions, you can drop your message on the email ID or the Instagram that is provided in the description of the channel. So let's move. So this is the question we have started with. First of all, 163. Can we break it as 160 plus 3? And here we can break it as 70 plus 6, right? Here you don't have to write it down. You will do it mentally. 160 plus 70. Okay, now again I've told you, first of all, add 40 in that to make it 200. So 160 plus 40 is 200, right? Now what left here? Because we have already added 40, so we are left with 30 here. So 200 plus 30, that is 230, right? Now 3 plus 6 is 9. So 230 plus 9 is 239. With little bit of practice, you will do this mentally within 3 seconds. So this is 3-digit based addition. Same thing. Can we break it as 200 plus 40 plus 3? And this is 100 plus 30 plus 5. Now 200 plus 100, that is 300. 40 plus 30, that is 70. And 3 plus 5, that is 8. So 300 plus 70 plus 8, that is 378. You don't have to write down this. You will do this mentally and just write down your answer. So this question is for you. Just write down your answer in the comments. And if you want more such videos, please like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.